सर यहाँ पे सर सब्जी सर सामने क्या है लाइट करो ना यहाँ पे आधा कट
ये सेल्फी नहीं लेना है। खुशी थैंक यू पीछे यहाँ से एंट्री जी मैडम खुशी एक्सक्यूज मी Thank you.
Comparisons are drawn on social media given the fact that Justin Bieber is just a 23-year-old singer from Canada and you are a very, very young singer who has made a niche for himself in Bollywood. So how do you feel about these comparisons that happen?
Actually, it's I think it's good. I mean, obviously people compare us because we are young and we are young achievers and we are young singers.
Correct.
So I think the comparison is there, but our industry is very, very different from what they are. But I am trying to see if we can take India to that level. You know, there's Bollywood music, but it's very important to do independent music on the side. And therefore, I released quite a few songs. Like if you saw Ajana Ferrari Mein was one of my latest singles.
Right.
So it's something different, and just I wanted to be the singer who's not just the voice of actors, but also the face to my own voice. So I think that's really important.
It is a very valid topic.
Yes.
Yeah. The stage should be left to singers and not actors should not enter into the stage. The industry has been divided on your opinion. What are your thoughts on that?
I said all I wanted. I was really sure that if there's a music concert, there should be singers and musicians up on that stage. I think it's fair to the talent in our country. I think we have a huge a body of talent in India, but we just don't take the initiative of putting them out there, and we believe that the top end of our country is the actors. I'm sorry, but a singer is a star as well, and you're seeing it right now on the stage.
You know, interestingly, Arman, a lot of singers poured out supporting you in this cause. But also interestingly, very recently when we met A.R. Rahman, we asked him about the same. He said, you know, singing is not just the forte of singers, even actors. Anyone who wants to perform can come.
I'm not negating the fact that they should not sing for movies. Okay. Salman Bhai has sung Main Hoon Hero Tera while I sang Main Hoon Hero Tera in the same movie. Right. That's for the promotion of the movie, and the actors should do whatever he can for the promotion of the movie. I'm talking about musical concerts. Okay. Musical concerts means for music lovers, for people who are coming out from our own city and country, and they want to see who else is there in our country who can represent music on a big level. Right. And there are a lot of people. I think it's just the opportunity and the chance that needs to be given.
Have you spoken to Sonakshi after that? Has she spoken to you, or do you think bridges can be made?
You know, I just said my point. I didn't even actually tag her.
Correct.
But I love her. I've sung a song called Ufi and Noor for a movie.
Right.
We are pretty close that way. I think something miffed her off, but that's fine.
So no hard feelings from you?
Not at all. I am doing my music, and my motto is always onwards and upwards, no looking back.
Who actors are part of the movie, you know?
He's asking on Mother's Day, कब से बेचारे को अच्छा चल बोल दो.
मिलना चाहिए।
अरे मिलेगा यार।
What's your favorite song? Justin Bieber. He's gone. He's gone. Where is he? Have a nice.
कौन है गणेश?
विश्वास नागरे पाटील.
हाँ ना, छब्बीस ना.
For people, but it's a little crowded for us. It's quite crowded. No, difficult to stand there. बहुत ज़्यादा crowded है और बहुत हमारे ऊपर लोग टूट पड़ रहे हैं, तो निकलना जरूरी है. But it's amazing energy. Well, the entire Purpose album is fantastic. I think. हम लोग को यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा साथ में कोई सिक्योरिटी लेके नहीं आए हैं, आज थोड़ा इसलिए जाना पड़ रहा है. आप लोगों से मिलकर अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू.
अमर जी, अमर जी,
Well, the Coldplay was really an indication that we can organize a...
expectations with these?
Well, I see this is one major performer. That was a whole group of performers and it was a global peace initiative. So it was I was happy to see that it went so well and was organized. So I know today is going to be another younger generation probably, more enthused youngsters. I'm here as just a chaperone to the young lady here, my daughter. So she's the one who really wants to be here.
Favorite song?
My favorite song, Paloma, give me some.
She knows all the songs, I don't think you know the name. Just say sorry. The songs.
Yeah, I know, but all through the drive here, my daughter was playing his song. So Sorry, I guess, is one of his nicer ones, which we enjoyed. And Paloma, you are the real fan, so she would tell you. I hear it through my son and my daughter, so that's the introduction.
Mother's Day is coming up. How special is the day for you, and what does your daughter give you, and how she makes it special?
Well, today the mother is giving the daughter a gift. I bought her here for the event and for the Justin Bieber show. So I think in return, I'm sure she plans something. She does so every year and surprises me.
Like what? Like what surprise?
Well, last year she had got me a beautiful basket of assorted goodies in a basket. So that was super fun. Thank you so much.
Sir, le lo.
He's one of the first stars of this century who sort of became famous after people wanted more of him. He didn't just go and cut an album. The kids really love him. Ariana and Ryan and there's Cindy, another kid. So the kids are very crazy. They wanted to see him live. For me, it's very difficult to come to live events like this because it's a lot of effort, traffic. We don't have the patience, but they are very excited.
So let's say your kids made you, motivated you to come here more and more.
So they kept track of the date. I kept saying, yeah, he's coming next month. And they're like, no, he's coming on the 10th. So it's like...
Thank you.
Armad bhai, on your right, Malaika, on your right.
रूम लेके वो पूरा फ्रेम गंदा कर रहा है।
मैं तो भेजती हूँ। Have you mic?
थैंक यू थैंक यू।
वही स्टूडियो ने
Are you both an ardent fan of Justin Bieber? What brings you guys?
Kids with us over here, they're all Justin Bieber fans. I wouldn't call myself a believer, but I would definitely say that I love his music. I really am a fan of his music, and I think for such a young kid, I think he's brilliant.
हाँ मुझे भी मतलब I've just recently got introduced to Justin Bieber and purely because of my son and I kind of like his music, you know, though so I'm here to enjoy and basically come here because my son has come with some of his friends, so that's it. Favorite song, sorry, nice.
अब मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ, डाइट की क्या जरूरत है? कौन बोले क्या बोले?
नहीं मानते, कोई नहीं सुनता। एक मिनट, ये किस का पाइप हूँ मैं यार?
विजुअल ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट मैटर करेंगे जब वो नहीं फोटो नहीं मिला यार। आलिया आलिया देखो
I am a believer, yeah, you can say that. What is your message to Justin Bieber? I think, basically he's come to spread the love, and I really believe in spreading the love. So I'm really excited to go and receive the love.
And there's a vibe, no? Look how many people are here and all. It should be fun. But I'm excited, yeah. It's nice that people are coming to India, people are coming out. Love yourself.
And I'm definitely a Bieber fan. I think we're all a fan of his music, and put up a good show eventually on artists. And I know he's going to do that for us, and he's going to spread the love, and we're going to take it. Your favorite song? Just one favorite line. मैं perform नहीं कर रही हूँ. My favorite song? I love the full album. I love Sorry. Let Me Love You. Love Yourself. So we're going to enjoy tonight. Yeah.
मैं उधर हूँ।
excitement, and I think it's going to be fantastic.
Okay.
Your favorite song? I think many songs actually. I really like Sorry. I like What Do You Mean. What Do You Mean is actually one of my favorites.
Is this the day like after whole day we're waiting for?
Actually, yes, and Bieber is I think someone that we've all been waiting for a long, long time. So it's finally happening. Yes. Thank you so much.
Justin Bieber.
And what about you, ma'am? I'm okay with anything. I enjoy any kind of music. So I'm great. I'll enjoy tonight because of them. So you're here for your children. I'm here for all the kids. Yeah.
Sorry.
We all are sorry. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Urvashi from Tela and Pooja Hegde. This is what Justin Bieber does. He gets hot women in the house. Girls, out of both of you, who's gonna take Bieber home?
I think you should take it. Yeah. You are looking stunning, and in this weather, you wear a suit. You deserve it.
Tell me, if you had a chance to take Bieber somewhere for a romantic date, what would you want to do with Bieber? As in, sing a song, a cozy.
Yes, I sing a lot of songs.
Yeah? Okay, what?
Ria this side now. Yeah, last one here. Ria. Thank you.
Sangeeta is also here. So love का है इंतजार has become Bieber का है इंतजार. आज. Yeah. I think सब celebrities कभी-कभी इसके बारे में बात किया है कि we're normal people, we suffer things like depression and other issues, and I just want to talk about it so that it becomes more normal to talk about it. And I'm here having fun, so it's not like it's some taboo thing, so yeah.
Okay, Rochelle, before you leave, can I ask you?
Yeah.
Kapil Sharma show में आओगे वापस?
मैं हूँ अभी, मैं कभी-कभी आते जाते हैं, मेरा कैरेक्टर वैसा ही है. Yeah, so I'll be here, alright? I think that's someone.
But you've been leaving the show now?
No, I come and go on the show.
Kapil's leaving the show, she's gonna be there.
Married soon, we haven't set a date yet. Thank you.
अरे कौन है यार ये?
But if there was one place you'd like to take Bieber around in India, which place would that be?
When I'm DJing, you should come dance with me and play some music with me. That's the place you should come.
हमारा स्ट्रेट हमारा स्ट्रेट हो गया. थैंक यू. हमारा स्ट्रेट या स्ट्रेट हमारा स्ट्रेट. Run out this side. Straight या. हमारा राइट. मैं तेरे बाजू में यार.
All right, I've got Arjun Rampal. All right. You're up. What song would that be?
I would like to have you try Arabic.
क्या बात है. So why don't you tell one line to Justin Bieber in Hindi as well?
आइए, पधारिए, घर आइए, सारा खाइए.
This is the one for Justin Bieber. Ladies and gentlemen, Suleiman. Hey, follow, hey, follow. Ma'am, यहाँ पे. Wait, ma'am यहाँ. Anybody start? Anybody start? Anybody start? Beautiful Kanika Kapoor here at the Justin Bieber concert. They are following our first call. It's a video. It's a video. Okay, looking forward to this concert tonight.
It's classic out here and I'm very excited to.
Okay, and if Justin Bieber has to sing a song, a beautiful Kanika Kapoor, what should that song be?
Chitya Kalaiya. I'll tell you Chitya Kalaiya.
Okay, if any of these songs that
I like this main song.
okay, what about this excitement? Have you
Yeah, I think I get I'm happy to talk to you. I'm really never meeting you like this. I'm real, it's beautiful. Can you stand with her? Please, we're going to
आगे मत जा रे. I'm just hold on. Just three of you together. Three of you together. अरे पीछे आना है. All of you here. On your left. No. Straight. Ma'am, ये side. Ma'am, left side. Bhumi, right. Bhumi, left side. Bhumi, left. Bhumi. Ladies and gentlemen,
Arjun, wait now, Arjun, wait, 1 second, Arjun.
Joshua. Lovely.
I'm going to explain it.
Listen, do you have a car? What?
Yeah, man. As long as you were here, I saw you right.